if you don't mind. That's perfect.
Even if you get them from a doctor for a legitimate medical purpose, opioids can be dangerous. In 2015, there were over 50,000 overdose deaths nationally, for around 70,000 of those deaths being from prescription painkillers, according to government statistics.
I think it has hit home to many people now that there is a tremendous crisis going on, and the last few years especially powerfully important in rural areas. And I've seen this myself in my own family, as a relative of mine died of an overdose, and reminds us that it can happen in all kinds of communities, all kinds of people.
However, there are many challenges to curbing opioid addiction. Legislation can regulate prescriptions, but according to one doctor, finding the right balance is difficult.
I believe there is a role with regulation in the prescription of controlled substances. However, there's a fine line at times between overregulation and making common practices with respect to prescriptions more difficult.
Dr. Olson said that overregulation can make it more difficult to treat patients with chronic pain, many of which are older and already have trouble getting to the doctors. It's even difficult to get help for a friend or family member who's struggling with opioid addiction.
As far as being able to help somebody that you care about, who you feel like has addiction to a pain medication or to any kind of a prescription drug medication, one of the things that's really heartbreaking about that is that there isn't that much that I or anyone can do if somebody else is addicted.
However, this does not mean the community doesn't play an important role in combating addiction and helping those struggling for prescription medication. And there are ways you can get involved in your community.
Well, there are many ways that the community is working here in Marquette County to fight against addiction, not just opioid addiction, but a variety of different addictions that people come across in their lives.
Additionally, being responsible with medication is a good way to protect against addiction.
It's important for members of the community to be aware of what's going on with the people that you care about. If you have opioid pain medications that are prescribed by your doctor, keep them locked up. Take a hard look in the mirror sometimes and make sure that you're discussing with your doctor, is this really the right thing for me to be taking? Should I be taking this pain medication? Should I be taking as much of this pain medication as I am? Make sure that you're really in touch with what's going on with yourself.
And for those going through addiction, there is hope.
Don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on your community. Don't give up on the people who care about you.
Reporting in Marquette County, Matt Miller, ABC 10 CW5.